an insightful and future-oriented session on Green AI, Sustainable Machine Learning Hands-on Session, a topic that not only focuses on innovation, but also on responsibility towards our environment. As we all know, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries in everyday life. But with this growth comes an important question. Are we building AI responsibly? This session is designed to introduce us to Green AI, where we focus on creating energy efficient, scalable, and sustainable machine learning solutions. Today, we are truly privileged to be in the presence of someone who has not only excelled in his field, but also contributed significantly at a global level. I warmly welcome Dr. Sandeep Srivastava, whose remarkable journey across organizations like PwC, EY, and KPMG reflects excellence, leadership, and innovation. Sir's expertise in risk management, finance, and strategic transformation truly inspires all of us to think bigger and aim higher. Sir, we are deeply grateful for your presence today. I request everyone to please join me in giving a huge round of applause and welcome, sir.
First dimension is white labeling, means all the popular apps cloning we are doing with the help of the AI. Second domain is AI integration. For example, all the popular integration of the map, communication, these all things is our second domain. And our third domain right now is AI automation. So we run a program called Build with Meander, where we do have a community of more than 7,000 members and who work with our employee to create these all apps. So right now we do have 900 plus apps and 1,300 plus clients to whom we are selling these apps and solutions online.
On behalf of everyone present here, I would like to sincerely thank Dr. Sandeep Srivastava, sir, for such an insightful, engaging, and inspiring session. Today, we didn't just learn about AI, we learned how to build it responsibly, efficiently, and sustainably. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed guest, Dr. Sandeep Srivastava, our respected HOD ma'am, our respected coordinator, the organizing team for their effort, and all the participants for your active involvement. Your presence truly made this session successful. With this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you everyone for being such a wonderful audience. Have a great day.